Creativity happens when we look at things from different perspectives, when we challenge what we already see and know, and take one step beyond to capture the intangible and make the impossible possible. It's not until we see with our own eyes how our lives, our future, can be reshaped and revolutionized. Then we begin to break down the walls, to overcome the boundaries, to realize a vision that propels humanity to be something more. Creativity pushes us to the extremes, sets our minds running at full throttle. When we team it up with a mission to empower and inspire the next generation. It emerges from the need to share and connect better. When we dial up our imagination and take innovation up a notch to create meaningful experiences that touch our lives. That's what we mean by creativity. Now, it's time to discover yours.